You know that I'm allergic to fucking roses. What is your fucking problem? Tell me this is a joke. Where's the fucking camera? If there's no fucking camera in here, I'm gonna fucking beat your ass.
Please don't beat my ass.
You hear me?
I hear you.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Where's the camera then?
There is no camera.
You little fucking bastard! You fucking bitch! Fuck! Holy shit!
Poor Kermit, dude.
Fuck Valentine's Day! This thing's a piece of shit. I'm going back to the fucking gym.
No, Deborah.
You fucked up.
No.
You fucked up.
No,
I want
stay
you
here.
out of my fucking house. Out of my house!
This is my house.
That's what I thought, pussy. You're a little pussy. I'm going to the gym.
No, please stay here.
I am done with that fucking frog. I am so oh, I forgot my fucking phone. Son of a bitch. What? Oh my god. What the fuck?
Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
I am beautiful. Hey mom, say who want lasagna?
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC 7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
Avocado! Thanks.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo. Free
Mother trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
Watch your profanity.
Hey, I shoved that ball down my pants.
It's not funny. It's not funny, okay?
I'm in my mum's car. Broom, broom.
Get out of my car.
Hey man, can I have some beer? Dude, I just want a beer. Dude, I just want a beer, man.